Hi, it's Cassidy Benson. I'm here in Chaffee Park at a Cape Cod fixer-upper that I have for sale, and I want to show you some of the potential that this place holds. In the front yard, we have grass with a sprinkler system, and the exterior probably could use a new coat of paint. So in the living room, underneath these carpets, I think we have perfectly protected hardwood. We also have a bedroom and a bathroom on this level, which would make a really nice master suite. This home has a very unique, huge addition off the back, which would make a perfect space for an open kitchen. I'd probably put my kitchen sink right under this window, a large island, and then an open living space. I envision this space to be a perfect home office with a mudroom right next to the kitchen as you walk in the back door. For plumbing purposes, I would leave the laundry right where it is and make this into a pantry slash little butler's pantry that enters into the front room where the dining room would be. Upstairs, you can see what the hardwood floors look like under the carpet. We have 2 bedrooms and a little closet that's perfect to add a second bathroom to this home. This oversized 2-car garage with heat is also a huge selling point and very unique for the neighborhood.